The next dish will be everybody's favorite with chocolate sauce. You know? Everybody enjoy a good chocolate sauce with on your profiterole, on churros, on a lot of things. Chocolate sauce is from a young age to an old age. Everybody enjoys chocolate sauce. So now I'm going to put the whipping cream into the pan. And bring it to the boil. So the choice of chocolate is quite important. You got to go for a very good brand, and you got to choose an extra bitter chocolate, minimum 70% cacao. That's the best, one of the best. You can go to 100%. So more you go higher in cacao, less sugar it is and less fat it is. So the best one, if you can get 100%, 90% is even better. So especially to make sauce. Once the cream is boiling, I'm going to add some chocolate. And mix it to dilate the chocolate. It will mix with the cream. And as you can see, it's turning into a chocolate sauce. So now what's happening, you know, the cream and the chocolate are mixing together. And we got the melting chocolate, the melting pot of chocolate, you know. But that will be fine. That will be fine if you eat it hot. But if you let it cool down, it will be solidify a little bit. So you got to make it a bit more liquid. Myself, I like to put a touch of water to do that. You don't need to boil it anymore. Just once the cream is boiling, that's enough. Everything will melt together. Because you know, if you carry on boiling, the chocolate will maybe separate into butter and solid. I'm going to put a few nuts of butter, incorporate gently. The smell is quite nice. You can smell the chocolate. Fantastic, yes. I love dark chocolate, you know. And in France, we eat mainly dark chocolate. I know in England you like different brand of sweetened chocolate. In fact, in England you got chocolate without chocolate. That's the only country in the world where you can buy chocolate where there is no chocolate at all. It's make-believe chocolate. So after I leave it up to you, up to the, you know, do you like it softer, sweeter, or not? So if you like it sweeter, just add a little bit of sugar. I think like that for me is perfect, you know. So that's it, that chocolate sauce. It takes only a few minutes to make and everybody will be happy. So that chocolate sauce, enjoy. Bon appétit.